Hey there fellow creators, welcome back to our channel where imagination knows no bounds. I'm Anshika and today we are kicking off an extraordinary journey, the Creating My Own Creature series. This is part 1 and we are diving headfirst into the birth of our very own mythical / cute creature. So grab your creative caps and let's get started. So in very first step, you need to draw a circle. You can select monoline brush in calligraphy section and draw a circle. Select the arrow and adjust your circle as per your needs. Place it a little below from the vertical center. And next you need to turn on the symmetry tool first. I did a mistake by turning on liquify first, but you can see I'll on it. Go to the range and select drawing guide and select edit drawing guide and select symmetry. You can see now it is working on one side but showing on the other side also. Now by using liquify, shape your body structure as per your needs. You can make it any shape. There is no specification. I will go with this. Add a new layer and select drawing assist and create ears. So you can go as per your preference, whichever ear shape do you like. For this I will go with this, and for the feet I will go with like that. Now creating a nose. So you can go any shape with your nose also. You can go round, you can go oval. I will go with this. Same with the eyes. Whatever comes in your mind, big, small, different shapes, you can play with the shape as per your need. This will be my whole body structure, filling the eyes with black. I will go with this. I will erase the extras which I don't need, like this. Now it's done, but one second, I'll add a inside ear also. Now this is the final creature which I'll create. You can add whiskers, but I will not go with that. Now heading towards the coloring part, go to the layer menu, add a new layer. Make your current layer reference and add a new layer below the current layer, and simply you can drag the layer and it will fill the body. Removing the extra which I won't need. So now let's get started with the color section. I will choose a very pastel kind of color for the creature and going with purples and pinks. Adding a very light baby pink color in the body and then a darker shade on the inside of the ears. So I will go with a dark violet shade and much more darker violet shade in the nose. So you can see this is the final color, but I wrongly did it in the reference layer, so I redo it here as you can see. So this is my final base for the colors. I'll add some paw stripes with a dark shade. You can choose and play with any colors you like as per your choice. It's not necessary what I am doing, you need to do that same. So whatever comes in your mind, feel free to add on. Just go with the flow. I will add a small little eyebrow kind of thing using a script brush in the calligraphy section. Choose your preferred shape for that. I added a drawing assist on the layer and then created the eyebrow. See, adding different kind of eyebrows can give a statement to your creature, as a kind of sad face, happy face, angry face, whichever. Now I'll select a lighter shade for highlights. Adding a highlight in the eyes will give it a real look kind of thing. So I'll add 2 dots. I chose wrong brush, ignore that. I'm going with the monoline and adding 2 small highlights in both the eyes. Make sure your highlights are in the same side of your eyes, not in opposite directions. Adding small highlight on nose also. You can add curve, you can add round highlight, you can add anything. I'll go for a slant curve kind of highlight. Now choosing a more lighter color shade, I'll go for a belly kind of thing and hair kind of thing. So I'll choose a light shade and I'll add on the belly, small belly, not too big, not too small. And again I did it wrong and I made it in the wrong section. I'll switch it up later on, you will see. I have messed up in this video a lot, I think, but yeah, I'll make it correct afterwards. See, a small belly and then some hair, like a wavy kind of fluffier looking texture to just add some statement. See, I did a mistake and that's why it was not filling. And when I saw the layer, I realized it, I did it in a wrong. My realized thingy. I'll remove it all and then I'll create it back, so you will see it. See, I added a shadow and it was coming behind the belly. So then I removed it all and then created फिर से पूरा. Same, using a lighter shade, adding the belly. making sure that no threshold lines are showing up. Adding the hairy, fluffier texture, drippy kind of texture. You can add any lines, any kind of hair. You can make it like a robot. Just it's all about your imagination. Now adding a shadow. So add a new layer above the colored layer. Select the body ka color and then make the layer in the multiply. Oh, see, I messed up it again. So adding the layer in multiply section so that you can get a darker shade of your original color. So it will add a shadow. So filling the shadow. I don't know why it was not filling up like by dragging the color down. I think shadow में नहीं होता है. See, I am not even a professional, just a artist learned by myself. So that's why I was little messing up. But yeah, I promise next time it won't happen. I'll add some more shadows on the inner side of the ear. And same in this side. Also make sure that shadows are also in one side. Like if you are putting the shadow in the right side, so every shadow should be in the right side only. If you will add some shadows in right and some shadows in left, it will look ugly, plus it will look wrong because it is a shadow theory. If you will tell me in the comments, I'll tell you what is shadows and highlights and how to place them properly. So if highlights are in the left, so the shadow should be in the right, and if shadows are in the right, then highlights should be in the left. Oh, sorry, right. And shadows to be left. Yeah, I messed up. My tongue twisted. Ha. Also tell me in the comments down below how many times I messed up in this video. I was thinking to add a shadow in the hairy, fluffier section also, but it was not looking good, so I removed it. So I was pretty happy about this, and you will see me ending it. But yeah, I forgot to add blush. Here I am just writing a signature, but I again messed it up because I need to add the drop shadow kind of thing in down the creature, like a round shadow. So I messed it up again. I was thinking what I have done and realizing that I am messing it and messing the video also. My bad. And for sure I again messed it up. I had to add a layer underneath the current colored layer, but I messed it up, and then I corrected it and I did trying to add a oval shape, but I don't know why. I was just messing as usual. I draw and it won't mess. How it can happen? It will be a miracle for me if I drew something and it all went correct. See, I'm messing it up. So now adding the color, by my own, because I don't know why the dragging part was not happening with me. And this was the first time it is happening like this. Every time I drag and put a color, it always fills. I don't know why. For this particular, it's happening like this. Now if you are okay with your oval/colored shape, go to the snapping tool and then select freeform and get the upper part little lower, so it will look like flat, like a 2D kind of 3D 2D whatever. And now I added my signature and finished it up. Make sure you add the name in the comment section, whichever you like, and I like it. I'll add the name in the next part as soon as possible. So there you have it, part 1 of our creature creation series. We have started a new series. I hope you like it. Don't forget to tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a single moment of this incredible journey. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and we'll catch you up in the next part. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.